Hello, my friend. Welcome.
Welcome. We are happy you are here.
Today, we talk about feelings.
Yes, English for talking about feelings.
Feelings are inside us.
We feel them every day.
Sometimes we feel good,
Sometimes we feel not so good.
and many learners feel shy to talk about feelings.
Yes, they think, my English is small,
Or, I am scared to speak.
but it is okay.
You can do this.
We will help you.
Slowly,
Kindly.
in very simple English. Let us start with a small story.
A daily life story.
You wake up in the morning.
You feel tired.
Your body is slow.
Your mind is heavy,
You want to say something.
but you do not know the words.
You want to say, I feel tired.
But you stay quiet.
This happens to many people.
Yes, many beginners.
Today, we fix this problem.
We give you easy words.
Easy sentences.
You will use them today,
At home.
at work.
With friends. First, a promise.
We will go slow.
We will repeat many times.
Repetition is good,
It helps memory.
and confidence.
Let us begin with one very important word.
The word is feel.
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 Feel means what is inside you,
Inside your heart.
inside your body.
For example,
When you are happy, you feel happy.
when you are sad, you feel sad.
When you are tired, you feel tired. Let us say it together.
Repeat after me.
I feel good.
Very good.
Now we add a feeling word.
First feeling.
Happy.
Happy means you feel good.
You smile.
You feel light.
Maybe you get good news.
Or you see a friend.
Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel happy. I feel happy. Nice.
Very nice.
Another feeling.
Sad.
Sad means you feel not good.
Maybe you lost something.
Or you miss someone. Say it slowly.
Repeat after me.
I feel sad. I feel sad. That is clear.
Very clear.
Next feeling.
Tired.
Tired means you need rest.
Your body feels heavy.
Maybe you work all day. Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel tired. I feel tired. Good job.
You are doing great.
Let us add one more feeling.
Hungry.
Hungry means you want food.
Your stomach talks.
Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Very good.
You see?
This is easy English. Now let us use these words in daily life.
Simple life.
Morning time.
Emily, how do you feel?
I feel tired.
Why?
I did not sleep well. Afternoon time.
Emily, how do you feel now?
I feel hungry.
Let us eat.
Evening time.
Emily, how do you feel?
I feel happy.
Why?
I see my family. You see?
Very natural.
Very real. Now you are speaking English.
Yes.
Be proud. Now let us add small words.
Words like very,
Very means strong.
more.
For example,
I feel very happy.
this means very good feeling. Repeat.
I feel very happy.
I feel very happy. Another one.
I feel very tired.
This means you need rest now. Repeat.
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired. Good.
You learn fast.
Now let us talk about a common mistake.
Many beginners say, I am feel happy.
Not this.
But this.
I feel happy.
No am.
Another mistake.
Some people say, I feeling sad.
Not this.
But this.
I feel sad.
Keep it simple.
Simple is strong. Now we add one more feeling.
Angry.
Angry means you feel bad and hot inside.
Maybe someone is not kind.
Say it slowly.
Repeat after me.
I feel angry.
Again.
I feel angry. Good.
Very good.
Now calm feeling.
Calm means quiet inside.
Peace. Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel calm.
Again.
I feel calm. Lovely.
Nice word.
Let us use many feelings together.
Like real life.
Emily, how do you feel today?
I feel tired, but I feel happy.
Why happy?
I talk with you.
Aw.
And you, Emily?
I feel calm and happy. This is real English.
Simple.
Kind. Now speaking practice again.
Repeat after me.
I feel happy today. I feel happy today.
I feel tired today.
I feel tired today. I feel calm today. I feel calm today. Very nice.
Your voice is good.
Now let us talk about feelings in problems.
Small problems.
For example,
You miss your bus.
how do you feel?
You feel sad.
Or angry. You can say,
I feel sad.
or I feel angry. Another problem.
You have a lot of work.
How do you feel?
You feel tired.
You can say,
I feel very tired.
one more.
You get good news.
How do you feel?
You feel happy.
You can say,
I feel very happy.
you see?
English is useful.
Now let us show a longer talk.
A real conversation.
Hi, Paul. How are you?
Hi, Emily. I'm okay.
How do you feel today?
I feel tired in the morning.
Why?
I work late.
I see. How do you feel now?
Now I feel calm.
That is good.
And you, Emily?
I feel happy.
Why?
I am learning English. This is a full talk.
Simple and real.
Now another mistake.
Some people say, I feel happily.
Not this.
But this.
I feel happy. Feeling words are simple.
No extra letters.
Let us recap slowly.
The key words.
Feel,
Happy.
sad,
Tired.
hungry,
Angry.
calm. And the sentence,
I feel.
again.
I feel.
Say it with me.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel sad.
Let us continue gently.
Yes, we keep going.
You are doing well. Now let us add more feeling words.
Easy ones.
Useful ones. The next word is excited.
Excited means very happy and full of energy.
For example,
Tomorrow is a holiday.
you feel excited. Say it slowly.
Repeat after me.
I feel excited. Again, I feel excited.
Good.
Very good.
Another feeling word.
Worried. Worried means you think too much.
You feel not calm.
For example,
You have a test.
you feel worried. Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel worried. Again, I feel worried.
Nice. Slow and clear.
One more feeling.
Scared.
Scared means you feel fear.
Maybe you hear a loud sound.
Or you watch a scary movie. Say it with us.
Repeat after me.
I feel scared. Again, I feel scared.
Very good.
You are brave. Now, let us practice all together.
One by one.
Repeat after me.
I feel happy.
I feel happy. I feel sad.
I feel tired.
I feel excited.
I feel worried.
Very good. You are speaking English. Now, let us talk about daily life again.
Morning feelings.
In the morning, many people feel tired.
Some people feel calm.
Some feel worried about work. You can say,
I feel tired in the morning.
or I feel worried in the morning. Afternoon feelings.
After lunch,
Many people feel sleepy.
sleepy means tired and slow.
Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel sleepy. Again. I feel sleepy.
Good.
Very natural word.
Evening feelings.
After work,
Many people feel relaxed.
relaxed means calm and easy.
Say it slowly.
I feel relaxed. Again. I feel relaxed. Lovely.
A nice feeling.
Night feelings.
At night
Many people feel tired again.
or calm.
You see,
Feelings change.
English helps you say them. Now, let us do a longer speaking practice.
Please speak with us.
Repeat after me.
I feel tired in the morning.
I feel tired in the morning.
I feel sleepy in the afternoon.
I feel sleepy in the afternoon.
I feel relaxed in the evening.
I feel relaxed in the evening.
Very nice. Clear and strong.
Now, let us show another common mistake.
Some beginners say, I feel boring.
Not this.
But this.
I feel bored. Bored means nothing is fun.
For example,
A long wait.
you feel bored.
Say it.
Repeat after me.
I feel bored.
Again.
I feel bored.
Good. Remember this one.
Another mistake.
Some people say, I feel very much happy.
Not this.
But this.
I feel very happy.
Keep it short. Short is better.
Now, let us have a long, real-life talk.
Imagine two friends.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
You look quiet today.
Yes, I feel worried.
Why?
I have a lot of work.
I see.
How do you feel today?
I feel calm.
That is good.
Yes, I take a walk.
Nice.
Now I feel relaxed,
This is simple English.
but very real. Now, let us practice questions.
Questions are important.
The question is,
How do you feel?
again,
How do you feel?
say it. You feel how?
Good. Very good.
Now answers.
I feel happy.
I feel tired.
I feel worried.
Practice with us.
How do you feel?
You, I feel happy. How do you feel? You, I feel tired.
Excellent. You can have a conversation now.
Let us slow down and repeat again.
Repetition builds memory.
Feel.
Feel.
I feel.
I feel.
Feelings words again.
Happy.
Sad.
Tired.
Hungry.
Angry.
Calm.
Excited.
Worried.
Relaxed.
Bored.
You know many words now. Be proud.
Now, let us help you remember.
Think of your day.
Morning.
Afternoon.
Evening.
Night.
Ask yourself.
How do I feel?
Say it in English.
Even one word is okay.
For example,
Morning.
I feel tired.
Evening.
I feel relaxed.
This is practice.
Small practice. Now, one more gentle correction.
Some people say, I am boring.
This means you are boring to others.
Not your feeling.
For feeling, say, I feel bored.
Small change, big meaning.
Let us do the final speaking round.
Please speak out loud.
Repeat after me slowly.
I feel happy today.
You, I feel happy today. I feel worried today. You, I feel worried today.
I feel calm now.
You, I feel calm now.
Beautiful.
Very clear English.
Remember,
You do not need long sentences.
short sentences are strong.
English grows step by step.
If you feel shy, it is okay.
Say one word.
Feelings start with one word.
We believe in you.
Yes.
You can talk about your feelings in English.
Thank yourself.
You learned today.
Take a deep breath.
Smile.
Say it again in your mind.
I feel proud.
We are happy you are here.
Keep learning with us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.